Students, today we're going to learn how to make Kumihimo, Japanese braided cord. We're going to start with a square piece of cardboard that we're going to turn into an octagon. So we need 8 sides. That means we're going to cut a triangle off of each corner. You don't want this triangle to be super big or super small. You want it to be about a medium size. And then we cut off the triangles. When you bring the cardboard into the center of the scissors, you're going to have more success with your cutting. The tip of the scissors is not as strong as the inside. Once we have our corners cut off, we're going to make slits on either side, on each side of the disc, on the flat sides. I like to draw the lines first so I know where to stop cutting. Again, bring the cardboard into the center of the scissors so that you can get the best cut possible. Our next step is to make a hole in the center. I'm going to draw a dot where I'm going to draw that, make that hole in the center. Keep your scissors together. Press the scissors into the center until you hear it touch the table. Turn this on the side. Slowly move the scissors in a circular motion until it presses through the other side. Make sure your fingers are out of the way and create a nice hole in the center. Then you're going to gather your strings. You need 7 strings. The strings can be of any color. Make sure that your strings are lined up on the edges on one side. Take all those strings, twist them together, and feed it through the hole. Take all of these strings and tie a knot. Make sure that knot is nice and tight. Pull the strings through until the knot is flush against the edge of the board. Now you're ready to begin. Turn this over so that your knot is on the bottom and load up your strings. So 1 string at a time, place each string into a slit. It does not matter what order you put them in unless you're trying to make a specific pattern. For this video, we're just going to show you the basic steps. Hold the empty space towards your body. Count always on the same side. 1, 2, 3. Take this string, the 3rd string, and move it to the empty space. Turn the disc facing towards you. 1, 2, 3. Move the string to the empty spot. Keep repeating this until your string starts to bulge out from the center. Turn empty towards you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. When you reach a point where your strings are starting to get tangled, you want to detangle them. The best way to do this is to hold the disc in the air and pull each string one at a time until they are free and detangled. You may also want to kind of comb your fingers through the strings to straighten them out. Okay, we're going to keep going. Best rule of thumb is 10 times around and then pull down. So I went about 10 times around now, and you can see in the center it's starting to bulge out. So we're going to pull the knot down and keep going. One, 2, 3, and detangle. 1 string at a time, and each string will be free. And that's how you do a Japanese braided cord.